Lockdown garden at Real Life Photos. Little details. A jungle, really. Bay tree in flower, growing to the sky. Aquilegia and yellow poppies. And hiding in the under the what's it called? Hiding under the honeysuckle. That's it. I've got it. A rhododendron. I've had time to plant things. Geranium. Campanula. And nasturtiums galore. Even growing pots and lots of tomatoes, I hope. And runner beans growing with canes. Spinach too. White lilac, tree in its own right, growing up to the heights of the sky. Red campion and marigolds grown from seed a friend gave me from Madeira. A little corner of paradise. Simple beauty in a pot. And a delphinium that grows quite a lot. Hanging baskets on cherry trees that also reach to the sky. Yes, there's a lot to be thankful for in our lockdown garden.